Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Nissan Sentra with the key. First, ensure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then, insert your key completely into the ignition slot. Turn the key clockwise to the on position, which powers up your dashboard lights and accessories. Finally, rotate it further to start and hold it for just 1 or 2 seconds until the engine catches. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. If your Sentra isn't starting, don't worry, there are a few common checks. First, if the steering wheel is locked, gently jiggle it while turning the key to release the mechanism. Make sure your key is inserted all the way and isn't damaged. If you hear a rapid clicking sound, your battery might be low and need a jump start. Also, try a spare key, as a worn key can sometimes cause issues. Your Nissan Sentra is equipped with a sophisticated immobilizer system designed for security. This system requires a specific transponder chip embedded within your key to communicate with the vehicle's computer. If the computer doesn't recognize the unique code from your key, the engine will simply not start, even if it turns over. This feature helps prevent theft, ensuring only authorized keys can operate your vehicle. To keep your Sentra starting smoothly, here are some helpful tips. Always have a spare key readily available in a safe place, just in case. Avoid putting heavy keychains on your ignition key, as this can wear out the ignition cylinder over time. If your key feels stuck or difficult to turn, never force it, as this could cause damage. For any ongoing starting issues, it's best to consult a certified Nissan technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.